Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repot a Ginseng Ficus Bonsai. First, let's discuss timing. You should plan to repot your Ginseng Ficus Bonsai every 2 to 3 years, or when you notice its roots have completely filled the pot. The best time to do this is during the plant's active growing season, usually in the spring or early summer. This allows your bonsai to recover quickly and establish itself in its new environment. Before you begin, gather all your necessary tools and materials. You'll need a specialized, well-draining bonsai soil mix. A good blend often includes 60% aggregate like lava rock and 40% organic matter such as pine bark. Also, have a clean, sharp pair of pruning shears ready for root work. Choose a pot that is either the same size or 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter, ensuring it has adequate drainage. Now let's get to the repotting. Carefully take your bonsai out of its old pot. Gently remove about 1/4 of the old soil from the root ball using a chopstick or rake to loosen it. With sharp shears, trim approximately 1/4 to 1/3 of the outer and lower roots, also removing any dead or unhealthy ones. Place a drainage screen in your chosen pot, add a thin layer of fresh soil, then center your bonsai. Fill the remaining space with new soil, ensuring no air pockets remain. After repotting, proper care is crucial for your bonsai's recovery. Immediately water the tree thoroughly until water flows freely from the drainage holes. Position your bonsai in a spot that receives bright, indirect sunlight and maintains a consistent, warm temperature. It's important to avoid any additional stress, so refrain from heavy pruning, wiring, or applying strong fertilizers for at least 3 to 6 months. This gives your Ginseng ficus time to establish its new roots and thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.